In this video, you will learn how to use Gemini CLI in VS Code. Install Node.js on your computer. Ensure Node.js is installed so Gemini CLI can function correctly in VSCode. Install the Gemini CLI tool. Download and set up Gemini on your system. Open VSCode terminal. Launch a Visual Studio Code and open the integrated terminal. Log in or authenticate. Sign in with your Google account or connect using an API key inside the terminal. Run Gemini CLI from the terminal. Start Gemini and interact with it directly in VS Code. Use and toggle it on for your coding tasks. Ask questions, repeat and request code, debug issues and manage files without leaving VS Code. Now you know how to use Gemini CLI in VS Code 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.